All right, we now move on to Ielts speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a positive change in your life. Over to you.
Change is the law of nature. Everything keeps on changing with the passage of time, and I also change a lot at some point of my life. The change that I have made in my life is time management. Earlier, I used to procrastinate a lot. I used to complete my work at the 11th hour. Most of my work left undone. One day I read an article in the Dawn about effective time management. The writer described very nicely about the simple ways to manage time. Everyone has same 24 hours, but the failure and the success lies in the effective time management. We can buy silver and gold, but we can't buy time. So it is very important to manage your time very efficiently. I started making a list of to-do things at night, and I used to complete my work in morning, all the that I added in my list. Okay, and it was very important because with the passage of time I stopped worrying about my undone works. I had time for extracurricular activities. I went for meeting my relatives and friends.
Okay, thank you. Overall, it's good, just you need more and more practice, and through practice, there will be more fluency, which is one of your problems at the moment. I found few grammatical errors, but you can just cover them once you learn 5 tenses, which I've mentioned. And then you said at 11 hour, it should be at the 11th hour, 11th th, right? Now, let's move on. Speaking part 3. Do you welcome changes all the time?
Yes, I think we should welcome changes as a whole because life is ever changing. We can't survive in an environment if we don't change ourselves. Like if we move to the foreign countries, I should adapt to their culture so that I can survive there.
All right, just try to link your answer with the main question, and in the beginning and at the end, give the reference to the main question, and that will be better, right? Okay, thank you.